Hello. Have you ever needed to copy and paste something into a document only to realize that it's not in your clipboard anymore? And what you have to do is just find the information, the data, copy it all over again, and then paste it. Well, there's a way to get around that. I call it the Forever Clipboard. And what that means is when you put something in the clipboard, Microsoft Windows will allow you to keep it there permanently, even if you restart your computer and even if you turn it off completely. Let me show you how. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to bring up the feature that allows you to first turn on the Windows Clipboard feature. It may not be on by default. And I pressed the Windows key on my keyboard with the letter I as in India, and it brings up the settings. I'm a keyboard person, so I kind of like to do it that way. Again, Windows key plus the letter I. I will now go to the section called System, and over on the left hand side are numerous categories. One of them is called Clipboard. That's the one I have to click on. So when I click on that, I have to have the clipboard history switch turned on. If it's not, you just slide it over. I also would like to perhaps sync across multiple devices because I could be logged into my phone, my tablet, my computer, and I would like to be able to use the Forever Clipboard on any of those devices. And do I also want it to automatically synchronize the text that I copy? That is the default when you turn that on across devices. You can change it to never automatically sync. Then there's the button that just says, you know what, I want to clear everything out of the Forever Clipboard, with the exception of things that are pinned, and I'll talk about that as well. You would just click the clear button. Okay, so that's one and done. Windows I, Settings, System, Clipboard, switch it over to on the clipboard history, and also I recommend sync across devices. All right, so I'm going to close that window. Now, I'm going to take something and put it into the clipboard. I'm going to copy something. So I'll go on to the internet, take something. I actually have multiple items in the clipboard right now. So I will take this right here, a screenshot, and what I'll do is I will use another popular TechSmith tool called Snagit, and I'll just randomly pick something right here. I'm going to put that in the clipboard. And the way I do that is oftentimes, you can right click on something and choose copy, and that's what I'll do. Now it's in my clipboard. Now I have a Word document, which is where I want to paste it to. So when I want to bring it into the document from the Windows Forever Clipboard, I don't do Control V or right click paste, although I could. I want to hold down my Windows key and hit the letter V as in Victor. Aha! Look what comes up. It's the clipboard window with all of my items. So as I scroll, I see items that I have placed in the clipboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put my insertion point wherever I want to paste it, click on the item that's in the Forever Clipboard, and voila, it's that easy. Now let me bring back that Forever Clipboard window again. Again, it's Windows V as in Victor. Because let's say I want to pin something into the clipboard, which means it will never go away until I decide to delete it, even if I click the clear button in the settings window that I showed previously. To do that, you have three little dots in the upper right hand corner of each item in the clipboard. You would click on that and you would choose pin. Now, if I want to delete something out of the Forever Clipboard, I again click on the three little dots and I would choose delete command, and it's no longer in the Forever Clipboard. It's pretty much that easy. Now, if you want to unpin something, you have to click on something that's pinned and the command changes to unpin. And now it's no longer pinned. Again, when something is pinned to the Forever Clipboard, it will not be removed if you decide to do a clear all from the Windows setting window. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this. I have one more feature to show you in Outlook, if you don't mind. So here I am showing a single day on my calendar. But what if I want to see multiple days that are not consecutive? Can I do that? And the answer is yes. My favorite key on the keyboard when working in Microsoft, Windows, and Office is the Control key. So I'm going to hold down my control key, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to click on the following Wednesday, and then the following Wednesday after that, and then after that, and after that, and so forth. Do you see what's going on? I am allowed to see days that are non-consecutive on my calendar. This could be a great feature when you just want to take a glance of certain days of the week rather than the entire full-scale week or month. All right, I've got a lot more tips to show you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.